Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best snowblower is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone living in a snowy region. As winter's icy grip tightens, the need for a reliable snowblower becomes increasingly apparent. This video will help you navigate the world of snowblowers, providing insights into different types, features, and what to consider when making your purchase. Get ready to say goodbye to backbreaking shoveling and hello to effortless snow removal. Number 5. Snow Joe SJ618E Electric Snow Blower. Introducing the Snow Joe SJ618E. This electric snow blower makes clearing snow easy. It's designed for efficient snow management on your driveways and walkways. This snow blower is powered by a 13-amp motor. It clears up to 580 pounds of snow per minute. You get gas-like performance without the fuel or maintenance. Take full control of where the snow goes. The 180-degree adjustable chute lets you direct the snow. The deflector adjusts the snow throw height up to 20 feet. The two-blade cold-resistant rotor cuts an 18-inch wide by 8-inch deep path. It clears snow quickly without damaging surfaces. This makes it perfect for decks and pavements. The compact all-terrain wheels ensure easy movement and control. You can navigate mid-sized areas smoothly and efficiently. This makes the whole process simple. What we like. This snowblower boasts a powerful 13-amp motor, ensuring efficient snow removal. The adjustable chute gives you full control over where the snow goes. If you have a smaller driveway or walkway and value ease of use, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The snowblower started up quickly and easily. The electric start feature is a nice addition. The self-propelled feature worked well. Number 4. Snow Joe SNJ SJ627E 22-inch electric snow blower. Introducing the Snow Joe SNJ SJ627E. It boasts a powerful 15-amp motor, providing gas-like performance without the hassle. This machine clears snow efficiently and quietly. With a 22-inch clearing path and 13-inch intake, it's designed for efficiency. This allows you to quickly clear driveways, sidewalks, and walkways. Take control of where the snow goes. The rotating chute adjusts 180 degrees, directing snow up to 25 feet away. This feature makes snow removal precise and easy. Built to last, it features a heavy-duty all-steel auger. The rubber-tipped blades protect surfaces while providing ground-level clearing power. It's built for tough conditions. It's easy to maneuver and features dual LED headlights for nighttime use. This makes early morning or evening snow removal safe and convenient. What we like. With its wide 22-inch clearing path, this snowblower maximizes efficiency. The dual LED headlights are perfect for early morning or evening snow removal. If you are looking for a snowblower that can handle larger areas and provide visibility in low-light conditions, you should consider this one. What people say. The electric start is a great feature. The snowblower is easy to maneuver. It has a powerful engine. Number 3. Snow Joe SJ625E 21-inch corded electric snow blower. Introducing the Snow Joe SJ625E, your solution for quick snow removal. This electric snow blower is perfect for clearing snow from driveways and walkways. It makes the task much easier. Forget about gas and oil. This electric design eliminates the need for tune-ups, offering you a hassle-free experience. It's ready to go whenever the weather turns bad. With a 15-amp motor, it can move up to 800 pounds of snow per minute. The adjustable chute throws snow up to 20 feet, keeping your space clear. The 21-inch clearing path and 12-inch depth ensure efficient snow removal. The steel auger cuts through the snow with ease, making your job simpler. Designed for easy use, it features compact wheels for maneuverability. You can extend its reach with a 100-foot extension cord, providing flexibility. What we like. This snowblower offers the convenience of an electric design, eliminating the need for gas and oil. The powerful 15-amp motor ensures efficient snow removal. If you like a hassle-free experience and need to clear snow off mid-sized driveways and walkways, this is the one for you. What people say. Had an early freeze and heavy snow, and this little machine did an amazing job of taking care of business in my 212-wide driveway on an incline. It has never let me down, knowing, of course, that wet snow does limit its abilities, but 90+% of the time it gets the job done with minimal effort. But the biggest difference is that it is electric, so it always starts for me. This last winter was the worst I've had in this house, but even at age 72, I clear the snow in no time, and when it's wet, I just get a little more of a workout. But, again, this is the best snow blower in my lifetime, and it clears snow quickly and easily. Number 2. Snow Joe SJ623E 18-inch electric snow blower. This snow blower features a 180-degree adjustable directional chute. It can throw snow up to 25 feet away, making it easy to clear your driveway or walkway. This snow blower is perfect for clearing snow from mid to large-sized driveways and walkways. It's designed to handle a variety of snow conditions, making your life easier during the winter months. Equipped with a 15-amp motor, this machine is powerful. It can move up to 720 pounds of snow per minute, ensuring efficient snow removal. The snow blower features a durable 4-blade steel auger. It cuts an 18-inch wide by 10-inch deep path with each pass, making quick work of snow removal. The built-in headlight provides increased visibility. It allows you to clear snow safely, even in low-light conditions. What we like. This snowblower features a 180-degree adjustable directional chute, allowing you to throw snow up to 25 feet. The powerful 15-amp motor moves up to 720 pounds of snow per minute. If you need a snowblower that can handle mid to large-sized driveways and walkways, this is a great option. What people say. Had an early freeze and heavy snow, and this little machine did an amazing job of taking care of business in my 212-wide driveway on an incline. It has never let me down, knowing, of course, that wet snow does limit its abilities, but 90+% of the time it gets the job done with minimal effort. But the biggest difference is that it is electric, so it always starts for me. This last winter was the worst I've had in this house, but even at age 72, I clear the snow in no time, and when it's wet, I just get a little more of a workout. But, again, this is the best snow blower in my lifetime, and it clears snow quickly and easily. Number 1. Snow Joe 24V Cordless Snow Shovel Kit. Introducing the Snow Joe 24V Cordless Snow Shovel Kit. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need, such as a snow shovel, protective cover, ice scraper, battery, and charger. It's designed for your convenience. With a robust 400W motor, this snow shovel is ready to tackle the snow. It can move up to 1,620 pounds of snow per charge, making the clearing process fast and efficient. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation. You can easily clear snow from various surfaces like decks, patios, and sidewalks. The design provides maximum maneuverability. It cuts a 13-inch wide and 6-inch deep path in a single pass. This feature allows for quick and thorough snow removal with minimal effort. Powered by a 24V IMAX 4.0 rechargeable lithium-ion battery. It provides up to 22 minutes of whisper-quiet electric runtime, ensuring uninterrupted snow clearing. What we like. This snow shovel offers the ultimate in cordless convenience, allowing you to clear snow from decks, patios, and sidewalks without the hassle of cords. It comes as a complete kit, including a battery and charger. If you are looking for a lightweight and maneuverable solution for smaller areas, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The Snow Joe is the real deal. The unit is powerful and hurls the snow a good 20 feet with no problem. It was easy to put together, and I opted to go with the supplied battery. So far, so good. The battery holds a charge for a good 25 minutes before needing a recharge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.